Credit cards are a convenient way to make purchases, but they can also be a source of financial trouble if not used responsibly. In this video, we will discuss the do's and don'ts of credit card usage. First, let's talk about the do's of credit card usage. Do you use your credit card to build your credit score? Paying your credit card bills on time and in full each month can help improve your credit score. Do you use your credit card for large purchases, such as booking a flight or hotel room? Credit cards offer fraud protection and can be a safer way to make these types of purchases. Do you use your credit card for everyday purchases, such as groceries or dining out? Many credit cards offer reward programs that can earn you cash back or points for these types of purchases. Do you use your credit card for subscription services, such as Netflix or Spotify? This can help you keep track of your monthly expenses and make budgeting easier. Do you use your credit card for unexpected expenses, such as medical bills or car repairs? This can help you avoid dipping into your emergency savings account. Do you use your credit card for online purchases? Credit cards offer fraud protection and can be a safer way to make these types of purchases. These are just a few of the do's of credit card usage. Now, let's move on to the don'ts. One of the biggest don'ts of credit card usage is carrying a balance. When you carry a balance, you're essentially borrowing money from the credit card company and paying interest on that loan. This interest can add up quickly and make it difficult to pay off your balance. Not only does carrying a balance cost you money in interest, but it can also hurt your credit score. When you carry a high balance on your credit card, it can make it look like you're maxing out your credit, which can lower your credit score. So, the bottom line is, don't carry a balance on your credit card if you can avoid it. Pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges and improve your credit score. Another big don't of credit card usage is making late payments. When you make a late payment on your credit card, you can be hit with a late fee and your interest rate may go up. Late payments can also hurt your credit score, making it harder to get approved for loans or credits in the future. So, it's important to always make your credit card payments on time. Set up automatic payments or reminders to help you stay on track. If you do miss a payment, make it as soon as possible to minimize the damage to your credit score. Remember, making on-time payments is crucial for maintaining good credit and avoiding unnecessary fees and charges. One of the biggest mistakes you can make with credit card usage is ignoring your credit card statements. Your credit card statement is where you can see all of your transactions, fees, and interest charges. Ignoring your statement can lead to missed payments, fraudulent charges, and other issues. So, it's important to review your credit card statement each month and make sure everything looks correct. If you see any errors or unauthorized charges, contact your credit card company immediately to dispute them. By staying on top of your credit card statements, you can avoid costly mistakes and keep your credit in good standing. Final don't of credit card usage is applying for too many credit cards. Every time you apply for a credit card, it can temporarily lower your credit score. Applying for too many credit cards in a short period of time can make it look like you're desperate for credit, which can hurt your credit score even more. So, it's important to only apply for credit cards that you need and can manage responsibly. Before applying for a credit card, do your research and make sure it's the right fit for your financial situation. By following these do's and don'ts of credit card usage, you can use your credit cards responsibly and avoid financial trouble. Thanks for watching.